Well, today is December the 1st and the annual World AIDS Day commemoration will be held at Ga-Masemola Stadium in the Sekhukhune district of Limpopo. Deputy President Paul Mashatile will deliver this year's World AIDS Day message. Now, Mashatile is expected to speak on the progress made by the country in the fight against the spread of HIV and TB. He's also expected to speak on the lenacapavir vaccine to curb the spread of HIV. And recently, the country hosted the G20 countries where world leaders discussed plans to curb health challenges, among other things. And of course, our SABC News reporter Ga-Masemola is at the Ga-Masemola Stadium in the Sekhukhune district in Limpopo. Let's check in with him. Ga-Masemola, good morning. And of course, this year's World AIDS Day message coming against a backdrop of funding that was halted by the United States, and that was expected to have quite a negative impact on the treatment of HIV and AIDS in the country. But talk to us about what's to be expected from today's message by the Deputy President.
Well, good morning to you, Sakina, and good morning to the viewers. We are now here at Ga-Masemola Clinic. This is one of the clinics that is serving around 40 villages around this area, and this is where people are also getting their treatment for HIV and AIDS. And indeed, we are expecting Deputy President to deliver that message today of the World AIDS Day here at Ga-Masemola, at the Ga-Masemola Stadium under Sekhukhune District Municipality. And one thing that we are expecting from the Deputy President also to touch on, as you've already mentioned, is the issue of lack of funding. We understand that, a lot of people in South Africa, particularly actually 8 million people in this country are living with HIV and AIDS, and about 6 million of those people are actually getting treatment from various facilities in the country. And of course, the lack of funding is really going to have an impact on this issue. And I also want to speak to you that the Deputy President will also touch on the rollout of lenacapavir that is also going to, assist in terms of curbing the spread of HIV, particularly among young girls who are also, most of them are actually, infected. As we understand that worldwide, we understand that in South Africa, about 173,000 people were actually, infected with HIV just last year alone. And we understand that this year, this commemoration is celebrated under the theme Renewed Efforts and Sustainable Commitment to End AIDS, Sakina. And we are expecting the Deputy President to deliver that message around, 12:40 this morning. But for now, this afternoon rather, but for now, let's get back to you in studio, Sakina.
Well, thanks so much, Ga-Masemola, there with us, and of course in the lead up to that message by the Deputy President later this morning.